If you're in the business of generating leads for real estate projects and you've been struggling with digital marketing, ad campaigns on Meta and Google, don't worry, you're not alone, because most of the real estate businesses struggle with poor returns on their ad spends on these platforms. See, the problem here is that there is no way to attribute the right buyers by traits on these platforms. So to solve this problem, we built Siggnals.ai. Siggnals.ai is an AI-powered lead generation platform. Our system analyzes multiple data points, such as proximity to location, the type of investment in the property, the location, the infrastructure in the localities and surrounding areas. So let's now look at how we do it on the application. And I'll give you a short demo on how to use to find leads within a certain locality or target locations across the city, or you have a fair idea of who your ideal audience should be, then you can use the location-based search in the application. To do that, you click on location-based search, enter the project details, enter the location. Next, you need to enter the configuration of the flat or any other property that you're trying to generate leads for. Here I'm going to select 3 BHK. I'm going to enter the budget, minimum and maximum. And next I'm going to provide target locations. So for example, I want to target sector 62 in Noida. So I can draw out a radius and say generate 10 leads or 5 leads in this case from this particular area. I can also add up to 10 locations that the system should target simultaneously. So I'm going to target another area, let's say sector 128. Increase the size slightly because maybe this sector is less dense. And then the next step is to generate the buyer profiles. So I click next. And as you can see, the system has now generated the buyer profiles that it feels are most suitable for this project. So you can see it has determined 10 profiles each for each location, and it has also identified the prospect companies, the position the people should be in, and their approximate package range, annual package range. We use this information to determine the loan eligibility and their financial capability to make down payments. So there's a bunch of calculations that are already running in the backend, but you do not need to worry about it. The system takes care of it on its own. Now that the profiles have been generated, the next step is to just go ahead and find leads. So to do this, we click on this button, which is Find Matching Leads. I do that, and now the system is finding matching leads for those profiles. All right, we have 10 leads in total. We requested 5 from each location, and as you can see, the leads have been generated for that given project. So the next step is to view in pipeline. So we'll click that quickly. What it does is it moves the project from draft to a live project view. And here we can see all the details of the leads generated. So we can see their name, email and contact number, which is very important in doing the outreach thereafter. We also share some details about the person, which is where are they working, what is their title or seniority in the organization, what is their work location, and then we have the buyer profile, propensity to buy calculation. Now this is a custom score that we do. Basically, we are estimating the propensity to buy a property in this location for this customer. This is done at scale for each individual. So you can see here there is a score. It's in descending order. So you have high potential customers, Typically, they are experienced professionals living by very close by to the project, um, and they're overall a very strong match to the project. So our system would determine many signals, 30 plus signals in this situation to arrive at this conclusion that this is a highly likely customer to be converted. So hereinafter, your team can go in and start calling or doing the outreach and getting in touch with customers. To do that, they can export this list to Excel or Google Sheet, or they can connect it directly to the CRM, and our system will automatically start pushing leads as and when it gets generated. So that's how you do location-based targeting in Signals.ai.